Hey guys, Brent again here. I don't know if I made a video in a while. That's because I've been sick for a couple of days, and then I tried to make a video, and that didn't work. I got my Skylanders. It was a deal free for $33. So this is the deal, but I got an Earth handstand trap. Oh, I still have the Toys R Us ones, please. So before I got pretty much all wave 5. I got Flame Kong, sorry. Sketch for just Monkey See, Monkey Doom. We got Fling, and Enigma. They did have, I got these all Toys R Us. At Best Buy they did have like Cobra Cadabra, and I'm trying to remember who else, Thunderbolt. They didn't have a clear shortcut. If you guys know where you can get Steam Puncture and that, or the clear figures, let me know. It's probably at Target or whatever. So we're gonna unbox the surf trap here. We're gonna unbox it. Carefully interrupt me with my dad. There's a little handstand trap. Cool. There's what it is upside down. I'm gonna try to keep it look. Let me think it. Yeah, I'm using my phone to swap our side book, so we're gonna put it back on the stand. So we'll stand up. We'll keep it like that or whatever. Throw us in the bag. We're gonna box some wave 5. Box wave 5. So, what the? Okay, hold on.